by the way, number 2222, right? See the gas box here, folks, right? So when we come to a job, we look for street lights, you know the street cables is down there, right? We look for telephone boxes, you do a visual risk assessment, right? Sometimes cars don't do the other, sometimes the eyes and instincts of these lights. You see that. I knew the gas was about here, but I thought the gas would be inside there, right? It would be inside the guard, down there, that line there, but look where they put the gas here. See the gas pipe there? Right, now if you look carefully, now the recommend's supposed to be 600. There's the top of the gas pipe to there, 330. 330, right? Now, you see the heavy concrete round about that? Right, I've dug that concrete out there, right? Luckily, you're very apprehensive when you're digging near gas, with runways and all that to do with gas. It just something tells you in your head. So I noticed that straight away within 2 or 3 shovels out. I was breaking it with the concrete breaker, you know, and there's no tape around it or nothing to warn you, nothing. You just come across it and that's it. There's the other hole there. I was more cautious of this hole, and this hole was easier than that one, because I was expecting the gas to go down the side of that. There you go. See it? And then you see this is an 8-foot funnel, 2.4. I said there to come from Tom down in Wagon Road, Tom, Hugh and Ryan and Neil, good friends of WSE fencing. So there you go, there's a 2.4, right? We mark it at 3 feet. I'm quite happy to get that 3 feet in the ground for these gates. We get down in here, right? There's your 3 feet deed, right? I'll hammer it in with old magic mail. We don't often use this, by the way, because the push driver will do the 4x4 post. Because of the width of the spacer on it, it'll not do them, by the way, it'll not do them. So there you go. So that'll get in there. We've used that as a line. We haven't a long enough bit of rail. We need sort of a rigid line to get the line for the gates. It's all perfect. So what I've done is I've doubled up rail there, put the washers on top, screwed them through to pull them together tight. Screwed that in there, and that's my line for there. I'll put that post in there and I'll get a couple of tickles with the mail just to take it to drive in and hold it and give it some grip. And then we'll put the magic concrete in that, and then I can get the measurement tonight before I leave here for the gates. And wham bam, thank you man, end of the week there's a lovely set of gates up there. As there will be in New Mains, by the way. There will be gates in New Mains this week, hopefully.